Guys, it's me here, the Flamer. Today, I'll be telling you how to play the trumpet, so please like and subscribe. So, this is the best trumpet. Remember last video I couldn't play? Now I can really play. This is way easier. It's better than a trumpet. It's made from China. And then we have this. See you guys. Bye-bye. Subscribe to me and the Flamer Gaming. And thank you for letting me play these instruments. So, see you later. Adios, amigo.